Hello everyone, it's 3rd April. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. On the first page we have Gherav of judicial officers in Bengal, a challenge to Supreme Court, says CJI. Then we have Iran fires missiles at Israel, Gulf states as Trump talks of winding down war. Then we have hit by West Asia crisis, manufacturing activity shows to 45 months low in March. Then we have Etsy issues contempt notice to SEC over delay in Panchayat local body polls in Rajasthan. Going forward, we have longer waits, lighter cylinders, LPG shortage continues to daily hit daily life. Moving forward, we have Etsy directs Maharashtra government to file reply to petition challenging scraping of 5% Muslim quota. Then we have failure of UP government opposition after Tigris, found dead on railway track in Dudhwa buffer zone. Then we have amendment of FCRA, a direct attack on minority institutions, says Tamil Nadu CM Stalin. And then we have Telangana rolls out the Bhu Bharti portal to ease land registrations. Going forward, we have Artemis 2, what is at stake for United States. Then we have from family empires to corporate giants in South Korea and Japan. Going forward, we have BJP planning to impose president's rule, says Mamta. Then we have lawlessness in Bengal, alleges BJP after Malda violence. Then we have government confirms extra sitting to debate amendments to Women's Reservation Act. Again, very important. Then we have CFAF bill passed in Lok Sabha amid opposition walkout. Then we have Rahul urges Prime Minister Modi to withdraw cases. Then we have when campaign gathers national and global wise on North Kerala coast. Again, important. Then we have Congress promises ST status for 6 communities in Assam manifesto. Moving forward, we have Education Ministry notifies NCRT as deemed university. Again, very important for education perspective. Then we have Supreme Court calls sand mining mafia the modern dacoits of Chambal. Then we have from files to algorithm, experts discuss digital governance issues. Then we have as supply chains vulnerabilities rise, experts press for energy security. Then we have must get preferential access to US trade deal as agreed. Then we have captive coal output up 10.2% in 2025-26. Then we have steel price increase hits MSMEs. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Trump seeks deal with Stone Age bombing threat. Again, important. Then we have US-Israeli attack on Iran to root cause of a Hormuz blockade. Then we have Foreign Secretary Mystery participates in virtual meet hosted by UK and on opening Strait of Hormuz. Then we have NASA launches 4 astronauts on crewed lunar mission. Again, important. All these things are very important from international issues perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.